The history of the high-performance luxury SUV is about to take a new turn with the 2026 Porsche Cayenne. Porsche's dedication to a more sustainable mobility future will be demonstrated by this model, which will be the most recent generation to go all-electric. The design is still elegant and sporty. The 2026 Cayenne's exterior design keeps Porsche's distinctive DNA, even though it will be electrified. Its distinctive headlamps, athletic proportions, and clean lines will continue to be its defining features. Nonetheless, a number of design components will be modified to give it a more aerodynamic and futuristic appearance. The estimated price of the 2026 Porsche Cayenne EV is $80,000. Depending on the trim and extras, the 2026 Porsche Cayenne EV is anticipated to cost between $80,000 and $120,000. Cayenne EV Est $80,000. Cayenne EV S $100,000. Cayenne EV GT S $120,000. It's uncertain whether the Cayenne EV will maintain the same trim level structure, but we do know that it will eventually replace the complete lineup of the departing gasoline-powered Cayenne vehicles. We anticipate a higher performance GT-S model in addition to the base and S trims, which are most likely to be available. When we learn more about the Cayenne EV's cost and trim levels, we'll update this item. Outstanding electric performance. The 2026 Cayenne will have the rapid acceleration that electric cars are known for since it is a fully electric car. Driving will be incredibly enjoyable because of the strong electric motor's amazing power and torque. To increase stability and traction, the 2026 Cayenne will also have an all-wheel drive (AWD) system, fast charging and long range. Porsche claims that the 2026 Cayenne's range will be sufficient for everyday requirements. Furthermore, this car will feature rapid charging, allowing you to swiftly recharge the battery while driving great distances. Additional features of technology and safety. A number of cutting-edge safety systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and automated braking, will be available in the 2026 Cayenne. Additionally, this car will have a number of connectivity options that let you use a smartphone to connect to your car.